Hi, I'm John Hassel, the Lake Guy here at Cedar Creek Lake with Ebby Realtors, and today we're going to preview a house on a kind of chilly, windy day at the Enclave. Now, this is listed by Debbie French in my office, and man, has she listed something special down here. This is a little over 2,000 square feet, around 2,200 square feet, 3 bedroom, 3 baths, great living area, vaulted ceilings, some updates, a sunroom, yeah, off the master, pretty cool. But it has a little over 300 feet of waterfront. Yeah, you heard me. It's a pretty majestic place down here. Southeast end of the lake, beautiful water, great water depth, great open water views, great family estate, 3-car garage, did I mention that? Got room to add another one if you want. You got room to add on. Got an outside storage building also. There's just so much. Let's take a look. It's going to be a little windy today. I apologize for that. But if we don't get these videos done, they're sold before you get a chance to see them. So let's get started. Now we're here in the front drive up. This is kind of off the side. This is the Enclave. Homes all around behind you. This is on a point, like I said. It's got gated entry level. Circular drive coming in. Here's the front of your house. As you notice, the 3-car garage. We'll go around and look at the side in just a few minutes. Now we just walked in from the front, starting out in the kitchen. I just want you to see the large kitchen area that they've got. It does have propane, so you do have the ability to cook with gas. Beautiful ceiling up there. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? And of course you got a great big huge bar here. Got a little settee right there that can be used for a little day bed. Nice dining area, and of course you've got this expansive water views here. Fireplace. Great. We'll come back around. Now there's the front where we came in. Now up there there's 2 bedrooms and a bath. Now the cool thing about this kitchen area is the laundry room goes that way out to the 3-car garage, but there's a full bath that's accessible from the outside. So your guests are outside, you want to come into the house, you got a full bath right there. And if you would choose to enlarge this home with the garage, you've got a bathroom already back there. Master's right there. There is a sunroom right off the master, but look at your views. Aren't those gorgeous? Well, we're going to go out there in the wind and take another quick view of the outside. Boathouse is right there. Large boathouse, but just fantastic views, and there's a sandy beach down there by those umbrellas. All right, well, let's go outside, take another look, and we'll continue on. Outside here on the back patio, you've got a nice seating area covered here. Oh man, great for barbecuing, entertaining. And look at this yard. Look how big it is. Man, kids, family, football, whatever you want to play out here, you got the room for it. And again, it's covered. Now here's that sunroom that's accessible from the master and is accessible by this door. Now the master, you got to crawl through the window to get there, and the kids absolutely love that. Who doesn't like climbing out the window when you're a kid? Big yard. You've got a beach down there. Beautiful point. Great boathouse. Beautiful homes all around you. What's there not to like about this? Now you get your own little beach right here, like I said. Pretty nice. Look back up, your boathouse, back up to the house. Outside building there for storage. Beautiful place you need to come. If you'd like more information about this location, this home, get in touch with me. Debbie's information will be below if you'd like to get in touch with her about this. Beautiful home. You know, these things are not lasting long down here. Better hurry if you want to see this. This is one of a kind down here. You don't get this kind of square footage, you don't get this kind of lot, and you certainly don't get this exposure. So come see it. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye. Have a great day.